Remodeling can be stressful, but what if it didn't have to be? Hi, I'm Jeremy, one of the co-founders of Phoenix Home Remodeling. When my family and I faced a nightmare remodel with broken promises, hidden fees, and never-ending delays, I knew something had to change. That's why I started Phoenix Home Remodeling with my two partners, Mark and Ben. We wanted to create a better experience, one that homeowners could trust without worrying about hidden costs or contractor nightmares. Over those next few years, we perfected our processes to ensure our homeowners would never suffer the same fate I did. Did you know 85% of construction projects exceed their budget, with the average cost overrun reaching 28%? That stat is from Propeller Aero Group. You'll be impressed by the unique design-build approach at Phoenix Home Remodeling. What does that mean for you? It means every detail of your remodel is meticulously planned before construction even begins, including your total cost breakdown and timeline. In other words, no big surprises and disappointments during your remodel project. Our advanced pricing software and our knowledgeable in-house estimator, Gina, provide you with upfront, accurate quotes, so there are no big surprises, no hidden fees during construction. Our feasibility, planning, and design phase ensures that your remodel stays within budget from start to finish. We're proud to offer a process that brings peace of mind to homeowners, but don't just take my word for it. Our clients have shared over 100 five-star reviews praising our communication, quality, and commitment to staying on budget. Homeowners also like how we keep them in the loop and always let them know what the next step is. If you'd like to take the next step, schedule a consultation with our remodel expert. There's no obligation, no sales, just help. You can easily schedule your complimentary consultation right from our website, or you can text or call us at 602-492-8205.